And boom guys, look at my coins and diamonds, it's actually generating. Hello there people and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got unlimited diamonds and coins for Cooking Fever, absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called zapweek.com. Then scroll down and you will find the Cooking Fever online tool. Click there and now just click install. It's super easy guys. I test this many times and this is amazing website. So let's wait for this installing. So and now guys, we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Underdog Fantasy and I will download Travel Town. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, we're still redirecting, so let's see. Verification complete, thank you, your content has been verified successfully. The next step, check your home screen, the app icon will be appear shortly. So guys, let me check, and guys, as you can see we have this icon, so let me open and let's see. And guys, as you can see, it's the game. So let's see what is okay. And boom guys, look at my coins and diamonds, it's actually generating. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.